Meet Jim and Vanessa, music lovers. They may have different tastes in tunes, but they both love the music features in Windows Media Player 9 series. It's easy to store your entire CD collection on your Windows XP PC. And the My Music folder lets you find, organize, and play your favorite tunes quickly. And you can listen to your favorite music or watch videos in mini player mode, so you can use your whole screen for important stuff.
Hon, what you doing on my computer?
Nothing, Vanessa. Just listening to music.
Oh, okay.
Windows Media Player 9 series is the world's first smart jukebox. It automatically identifies the songs you play most often and rates them as your favorites. You can change song ratings up or down. And with auto playlists, you can automatically burn the perfect mix of your favorite hits onto CD or transfer them to a wide range of new portable devices, automatically and in record time.
Happy birthday, honey. It's got all your favorite songs on it, and it'll never skip, so you can go skate in the park or anywhere you want to.
Baby, this is awesome. I'm gonna go get some fresh air.
Have fun. Take your time.